G'day Junkers. Today we're looking at the Teardown Magimix Cuisine 5100 automatic multi-couvert. God, my French is terrible. From Magimix. So a bit of a review plus a teardown. And this is the Australian version. I guess other versions come with other things. We're missing the French fry disc, the centrifugal extractor, and I think one other thing. But it works. Apparently it's automatic, so it adjusts the speed or torque. Don't know. We'll find out when we have a look inside. It's kind of complicated. Let's start with the big bowl. Then we have a midi bowl. Then we have a tiny little bitty bowl, which this works. Kind of cute. Then we have a mixing blade for the little bowl. Which kind of runs at a different speed because of the planetary gear system. Then we take the midi bowl out. We have the maxi bowl. And this again runs at that same speed. And this is apparently a dough blade. It also has pulse. And then these things are very sharp. This is the, what would you do with them? Oh, slicer. And a reversible grater, so this does a thinner slice and grates. And don't really need to I guess once you know what everything does, it's not too complicated, but initially I was quite confused. This is a juicer. Yeah, so they're the accessories. And you get a spatula and a who knows what that is. Those crazy French. Of course they're not crazy. She's very clever. Okay. Wonder how far we're going to get in this. Some decent feet on it. And we have a star driver. Let's say the plastic feels good. Nice little rubber foot there for the motor. Hope that didn't come off it. Okay. That is one hell of a motor. Right, so looking inside, this is quite a thing of beauty, really. I'm a little bit disappointed with the cord retention system here. That's a bit amateurish, but yeah. You've obviously got a pulse, so a momentary switch here. You never switch on, off. This is the safety micro switch that cuts everything off. This is basically the capacitor to help it start. This motor, I don't know exactly what the kilowatt or horsepower of, but it looks about the kind of size you'd see in a washing machine, so that's pretty good. And I'm guessing this here would be the control. How it controls it, interesting. I can see a coil. Yeah, don't know. I'm not going to take it out, because to take it out I would have to flip up these little plastic things here, and I still don't know how this is attached. Sometimes these are attached with basically heating up the armature and then basically putting the plastic on, and it sets. So removing them is well, tricky, and putting them back is impossible. But yeah, just give you another look here. Yes, very sturdy motor, I must say. Very impressive. Okay, I'll put this back together and give it a test run, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.